This video is entitled Maintenance, Parts File, Print Menu, Print Parts List. The Print Parts List menu option will, when selected, display the Print Parts File wizard. The wizard is designed to guide you through the process of printing all or a portion of the parts file. The first page displayed by the wizard will contain some general instructions. We click Next to proceed to the Select Range page. On the Select Range page, we have two different button groups. The first group contains the following buttons. The All button will print all of the items within a selected range. The Watch button will only print those items that have been placed on the watch list. The Frozen button will print only those items that have been placed on the frozen list. The Discontinued button will only print those items that have been marked as discontinued by your electronic update service. Zero Material button will only print items that do not have a material cost on them. Zero Labor will only print those items that don't have any labor on them. The Print Range button bar allows me to either print from beginning to end or from a selected range. If I choose to select the range, for example, if I wanted to just print the conductor range, which is all the zero items, I would print from 011 to 1 would be the last of the zeros. And I can search by, I've been searching by index part number, or I could search by index name if I wanted to. I have an option for doing that. Since I've already found my range, I'll go ahead and print that. And I'll print the next page. On the printer's report setup printer form, I can print directly to the default printer, or I can print a preview, or I can use the setup button to change the destination printer. I'm going to go ahead and say preview, and I click OK, and I get 14 pages of conductor items. I'm going to use the zoom button to open up, this is the zoom to fit the whole page. Then we have other zoom items. I can move to different pages by selecting that. I can file and I can save as different types of forms. I can actually save this whole form as a PDF if I choose to. So there's a lot of different options on here. The report contains the part number, the DCI number, the description, the catalog number, unit cost. I believe that the most important field that on this report is the last update field, because this way I can tell when was the last time this item was updated. And this is one of the reasons that I'll go through here and I'll review this on a regular basis. It's very important to be able to see that. So that's the method for printing the parts list and the way the parts list is printed out for you. And this concludes the Maintenance, Parts File, Print Menu, Print Parts List video.